Introducing the Evolution cordless metal cutting circular saw. Fit the battery and get straight to work. Evolution cold cut technology produces less heat, allowing freshly cut material to be handled immediately after cutting. For straight, accurate, repeatable cuts, simply fit the guide rail adapter, unlocking compatibility with Evolution guide tracks. The integrated LED work light helps keep the cut line clearly visible. Powered by Evolution's intelligent EvoMax motor, designed to maintain optimum blade speed under load, helping deliver consistent cutting performance and extending blade life by up to 30%. Adjust the cutting depth quickly and easily. With up to 2 1/4 inches of capacity, it handles larger steel sections with confidence, delivering clean, accurate cuts across a wide range of steel materials. Integrated chip collection helps keep the workspace cleaner, and when the job is done, the collector can be emptied quickly and easily. The built-in rafter hook keeps the saw secure and close at hand between cuts. Master your metalworking with Evolution's cordless circular saw.